I'm living my life. We are not complaining. Kasube mwasibye bulungi muli mutya. How are you Uganda? How are you Kampala? Tuliye nono tuvyandala ku mutima gwa Kampala wano ku Serena Hotel. Ono ko lero bana ndi musanyufu nnyo kasube muli bulungi mukulikeyo ku mirimu bwasibye mutya. I hope everything is working well with you. Njala kubanga te nkubiriza banange abaina business ngo uli yagala kongera mu business yo nomeda eri wano okubanga emala ebizibu byo byonna just na smartphone yo downloading app ya numida awo ku Google Play Store ate munango osolo kubanga ojuzamu ebibuzo ebyenjawulo kasoba ngona ndaga muntu yo osolo kubanga ate ofuna akasimbi awo nyini wotudde nga tovuddeo instantly wekasoba ngo mazo kujuzamu munanga ate bebibuzo baba kubuziza osolo ko yakusumi yabwe eyobwerere ate nga yo eri 0800100240 osolo kubanga ate omanya ebisinga kwa ate na namba yabwe ya WhatsApp osolo kubanga ate basindika ku message ku 0787568903. So today with me in studio yaliko mukama wange namala nangoba kuja Taufiki. Taufiki aina company bajita Loud Media ekola music marketing ekola events hosting amabala elimune sports kwegambo yagala entertainment yonaina kujefuga jitumilero mu entertainment and sports
sikujefuga.
How has been your day?
No bad.
Nenga ko Taufiki nyene tufu.
Yeah, Taufik Hamid Talib.
Taufik Hamid Talib.
Taufik Hamid Talib.
Abera muchoyo toli muna Uganda. Oli muna Uganda. Are you Ugandan? Tugenda okubagoba by the way. Are you Ugandan?
By business.
By business. How are you doing?
By business, by school.
By school.
Yeah.
Oina mu mchala wana Uganda.
Mchala.
Rashwe na mchala.
Siwasanga akati mchala bo.
Tobasanga?
Oino banga wawasa.
Mchala no. Andi kati leo wotukira ku mchala kiteza ningambe nyina yo girlfriend nyina gwenda ba.
Sina mchala.
How is business for you in Uganda?
Not bad.
Bikutambulira bulungi. Tewali kikusumbua.
Steady progress. Yeah.
Chichi kyasinza okusoomooza n'ogaba bannaye singa sajja Uganda.
Singa sajja Uganda.
Singa nasigale waffe n'enkolera eyo business.
Atawali so far so good. Yeah.
Moyagalira mu nsi yaffe.
Toyagala. But I'm Ugandan somehow.
You're Ugandan somehow.
Yeah.
So nightlife.
I'm just Kenyan by birth.
Kenyan by birth. Ugandan by business.
By business, by school.
By school, by everything.
By family.
By friends, by girlfriends.
Kufuna. See girlfriends.
Girlfriend. Kale. Girlfriend. So nightlife eno jolly mo. Biche bisinzo kusomoza because every business ina challenges. Biche bisinzo kusomoza mu nightlife. Na events generally.
Business wise or in general?
No, ati kati okola nightlife.
Yeah.
O marketing and music.
Yes.
Wala n'abayimbi. So kati mu Uganda of course
business ina muyimbi.
Oina muyimbi. Ani yena.
Mozelo Kids.
Ono go demo.
I'm living in my life.
I'm not complaining. Are you complaining?
Magolo. I'm not complaining.
You're not complaining.
Alhamdulillah for today.
Alhamdulillah for today. Ate muli basira mbale ya mutamuza ndindi muli wa musido yimba sichi. Well, manjala kumanya bikusomoza.
It means somoza mu music industry. So sorry mu nightlife business. Consistency is not easy.
It's not easy.
Yeah,
I know.
So that's why I got used to pushing. Like since about Hasina pushing, like charging it a Musai. Which is very hard. Like the challenge I get, like if I feel like if I don't, we must push this Jafuna
sente.
Yeah.
Well, okola nightlife, omuntu yandiroza mu bakola nightlife, fa bakola nightlife. Tetukola kintu kya mugaso during day. Baba baloze misana tuba twebase, ekiro nga tuyiriba kati obo okola kye misana.
And kati me I don't sleep.
Are you an alien?
I just rest.
You just rest?
Yeah, men don't sleep. Men just rest.
Okay. So kati emisana obo okola chi after resting.
After
resting eberanga ya how long?
Kati emisana about nightlife resting, not specifically sleeping. Nobody wakaninga story mukola. So mostly during the such programs, TV interviews, meetings. Yeah.
Genda ko ku beach.
Sometimes.
Maybe nightlife mu business ndalaze mukola kujja ko nightlife. Ngojoka bya events.
Abarasimanyi.
Goina.
Of course.
Anti kati abantu abali batulabanga thank you so much.
Because in Inongegwao. So you have to plan for ahead.
Do you drink?
I don't drink.
Do you smoke?
Smoke what? Depends.
Depends on something.
Yeah.
Kati abantu ababera mu bbala batugamba muno fe buli kintu kikozesa. Tukoyesa bino all kinds of circumstances. All kinds of substance. Bena bagamba tubikozesa.
Anti bagamba fa bakola mu nightlife tukose ebintu bingi. Nati fa basinga olabika obulungi. Lwaki?
Kurachi.
Kati tukose bintu bingi wachi tufanya kati tusoko tunulide.
I look good.
Encho kolawa. Si catwalk.
Catwalk.
Ate lero gena kolawa.
Yera kola ko ora.
Toshiraba.
So I'm not complaining. Alhamdulillah.
Before you began doing MCing, because before even you began MCing like professionally, right? But you look at you, and those days is a very big margin, and I'm proud of that.
Yes.
I'm so proud that Niko Zeko now.
No man no go back.
Kongereko. Bakulemesa nesa kugoba.
Bawala chikachi bobo yagala okudating ambulamu obo.
Andi kati nze ekibuuzo bakimbuuza nnyo.
Nange ntazeho nkikubuuze kuba kikubuuza ngako.
Honestly, because me I really love life young is so low key, stranyo itaganyo ku media and all that. But nze kati I date value. Value.
Otegeeza chi by value mwagala otuddi byakati. Otegeeza chi by value.
If a man looks at you right now.
Yes.
Well, I have lunch. You look nice.
Your value.
Listen, on top of that, you hustler.
Oh yeah.
Oh
yeah.
Yes.
Kati depending on kusema
because even my for example kati zenisi kwasa kwenye bintu bingi. So imagine if I had a dance girlfriend. Na mtu mako wagende wano you handle this good and handle this.
Just alwa akakusokola njala na.
And kati za una vows I date value like if I see value in you, trust me.
Uno mulimu ogwa events waliyo baddeko kono omuntu n'omwesiga because tosobola bikola byonna n'omwesiga n'akuyuwayo
always
nga musajja nga mukazi
both
kati omukazi ali mukazi wo
nedda
ngenda ku event yo neddako ngenda kunoonya omuntu asinga okwetala
ile mai kati fala obukulembeze if you mukulembeze there are some things you have to know that to happen. Even the clothes are so quick, but you're like that. You're selfless. Quick meaning, yeah, I'm losing. See, that's why if you see the thing of you about to eat, I'm losing. We go buy same cigara.
Go get the Rachi.
So that is just that all the do waguru. I don't be same. I just cigar the was. Must not change. Because the man in a college singa worry. Yeah. Nenge kusanga can say what's up. How
do you drink tea? Onywa chai kumacha kubanga mwa night life simanyo onywa chai ewako inayo ne sukali
sina yale chikopo
ewako inayochi ebiri mu
ebisigade mu ebiri kitchen yote ichiriyo cheshito
toina yo sowani waka wande
21 questions mazima siwe chiri
21 questions bas
sakala ni
toina sowani Taufik
sina nechikopo chiyo cha askari
ara askari ana chikopo cha chiyo
ndabaga mpako chai sometime banga nani mbakola ndinga wa mpako chai nywe
ko ngulu yagala kunywa ku chai
ne busumbusa nawo nguyira wali wagweru eri wansi ko bala
Taufik basho na kijiko
wallahi sina
kati wobanga oleso mwana wabage waka
sina kino chiko dese kijiko
kati kale bwenzia ne nchale uwo
anti zinkuba sino kodiwa and they bring what you want.
You're sick of that extravagant.
No, I'm being honest. Like
ona pay amekeze ngato
more than 120.
More than 120.
Yeah,
Taufik fenze sike chikezo zubaida mungato
nedda ngaro just za kabula genda ku mulimi
ate chain unayonga meka
anti real nigga of course omusajja nato ina sneakers mazima ddala honestly
anti kati abamu ku abasajja bafabali eyo mnaye jo sneakers komero yabuli sia nedda just ne babere ne pair zenga nya techibeera omusima yanga ngate kati mne mmanyi chain zo inayonga meka
chain I have like
abana night life so right now chain zo inakati aliziba la
I have 6 pairs of chains.
6
pairs of chains.
6 pairs. Especially that you biri
6 times 2.
6 times 2 that's 12.
Yes.
Is it the original?
Yes, I put on original silver.
Ozigulawa.
Nzigula mukibuga ziba most.
So nedda. Mukibuga mboli original. Nze sikirabanga.
Andi nze manyo kebera.
Gowe kebera bakuyibidi bakulete.
Andi kati nze ntukayo.
Otukayo no befunida.
Yeah.
Well, when was the last time you went downtown? Like one single vudeke no jogula chains.
See, the last time I went downtown I was going to meet Ham
Chigu.
It was the last time.
Ate abasinga bembuza mbona was the last time you went down ndeba ngamba chifecho. Sitegeza wa Ham. Kati ntegeeza eri nga ona gamba ku mini price sao
anya abaniga bange olusi ntukayo katono once neze ndoge na mtao so no mwana mwaka sigeze
mtao
ni sana ya
ate wasembade ko isa board
lero obusoso ko isa board after a very long time
obadere
jam ya
ate taxi
ne taxi zo kwa sizaga lera
tozaga yaza kusanga tozaga
nyanga boda kagari wachiri
well ku event joina abantu basubire chi
event jenina bana event jenina I have like 2 events.
2 events.
3 actually. From between now and September. In my Swahili event, you know, Tarabu Festival, you got your 17th of August. Next week. Next week at Sunday. That team the Beats Spark. Never invite me. Again, I coverage actually.
Yes, Viola, you got a coverage. Kati Viola, yo kali.
Endara, Nafik Famaya Gangatano.
Yes.
I'm going to host the VVIP. And in Ndala, Vumbola, I'm going to host the Vumbla. I'm the official
Vumbla, Ginger.
Vumbla, Uganda. But this time, Kampala edition.
Oh, okay.
Ndele Cultural Center. Yeah.
Well, kumintubyo zo nyumi zako, ndabe yaddalanga oli mu events.
Yeah.
Ate otwafuna obuzibu bwa COVID. Basinga kulokinga mu abantu abalina businesses gatta abantu. Kati COVID waddamu ssaawa zino. What is your plan?
Waddamu ssaawa zino. At least abantu basina now they have tips on how to handle the situation.
So ngambeyo.
Bayiga.
Ngambayo tipo what's next for you?
Saka jogera compare government event apa.
Government event ko. Anjo ba nkoze bwe. Ngambe wano mukama.
No, but right now we honestly at least now we know that
muja kulya saving.
At least now we know what to do.
Yeah.
We at least single already just came out of the blue. We went to clashing. I mean, we took all losses for our events. Twakola nnyo same time twakola losses. So yeah.
What's the difference between music marketing and song marketing?
Music marketing, for example, katika nze Mozelo Kids ni manager we.
Uli manager wa Mozelo.
Nesi managing with yedda. Old school my manager wa muimbi. No, okay, you manage yes, hata kaimba ko kaposhinga otia. Why I'm in music, I want to create something new. Music marketing, like to ngawo marketing wa muimbi. Marketing na nyimba ze. Yes, ngawo posting wa muimbi ukasera no posting wa muimbi. Posting of music way all the
Oh, not just
that is why when I released my life, I'm living in my life, nothing to worry. In the 3rd day, I was number 3 for Galaxy. In the 4th day, I was number 1 in the country. The most played song.
Most played song.
Imagine you release a song in 4 days and it's number 1.
Mpayo ba manager bo manye Uganda no ogamba nti abo bakoze omulimu omulungi ngabana.
Kuvadda oba sawa zino.
Kuvadda.
Akubada sija kulimba
because ate kati sawa
simanyi nnyo music that much. Sawa zino manager gwenda ba manager Roger wa Spice.
Tewali mulala.
Abamu no whenever ngali serious.
Abera mu nnyo mu mabalo.
Ate chicho kitwagala juka manager basinga. They want us to push their songs in the bars, but they don't come to our nights. Baba Roger jakuja kurokuna kukaski aje kweta no kukaski ne kurumukaga. Manyi kwa kaski ijero kuba enyuma za na Uganda zisinga. Achina yabera so definitely tumulaba ya chitu wangu to market his music ne wataliwo. You get the point. So chinyalo kujjawo I don't have to play a song for the artist because he's around. I want to play the song because it's obvious.
Yes.
Chenimo creating
okay. Kati gwe bichi byolaba music industry tinotereza.
Bibe kugambye. Tebamanyi ku marketing music waabwe. That's why you
for
example you can see someone akaimba ku TV ngakondaze ngana katuka ngaba oyo mwana improve bichi nekuza lwacho oyogede bojo she sings well but she didn't have the marketing
for her song
yes
so kati obuzibu twina ne Uganda marketing
cholaze muzero wataka yimba ngenda musimu yange tepige ko buli DJ akafune buli DJ musimu yange because ndi host
buli DJ akafune
yes
kati
era ga buli DJ chimikakatako akayimba ako ila play as long as the song is good I will market it for you yes
kati okomye kuba DJ be Uganda ataba outside Uganda because most of the people are here saying muli wano Uganda temuli kutola music wafe abroad across Uganda smasi you we need to see our artists ngabayimbe no outside Uganda areka
music wana Uganda bana buli mayimbe buli woyimba manya kayimba ko ina komawa ku border chi so chiri kugo to put the content that can jump the borders
yes
kati my life can play everywhere I'm living everywhere
or the language is understandable
you get the point kali no yimba kayimba ngo targeting you have to do a business with a target market probably just know your way we manya market ye immediate yakaiba ko okobye kana market chi chobola ba mozero ajamita kusomero ajambe somero neti wajja kuita lutalo kuimbira kusomero because target market yeyo so you have to know where the music is going and where you're going to get the money for that music
okay ngenda bana nkubuza ebibuzo byange nga bitano short or tall
I have time
You have time. Short, no, you just then I'm gonna knock round down short or tall.
Mix.
Thin or thick?
Wait, so what? You asking questions now or?
Yeah, I'm asking questions now. Short or tall?
Short or tall? Let's see. Short.
Short.
Yeah.
Thick or thin?
Thick.
Ah! Brown or dark?
Brown or dark? Since I'm black, a bit brown.
A bit brown.
Yeah.
Kati go do describing gachi.
Chira chechiri.
Chichije madani.
Chira chechiri. I'll describe a blessing on me.
On you
personally.
You're not short.
It's okay.
You are just describing
yes.
You. Well, are you this kind of a person afuna sente noga mambuno nyino kusoka nengulako kino nechino nenga biyamba gwe. When you get your money, okay, what do you do? What do you do? Nga wakafuna sente bot.
Okay.
What I do in your head.
And I get money. I buy what I want.
Like what? Like shades?
Anything. I feel like buying that day. I enjoy it. I save. I go broke. I work again.
So ofuna sente no gula choyagala no chinyumirwa
ne saving ayokko
akatono
nezigwao ndamu nenkola
no damu no okola. So you're that kind of a person. Well nze nange nyine kintu kyenayiga nti bwe nfuna sente nsoka kwegulira ka akantu nga mugana getana bakunkubira kunsabayo nga mama getana bakunkubira kunsabayo nsoka n'okubanga
kati emale ebyo kati emanyi nayo omuntu wange yakwenkweyo we yagalenga abaana abalala
nga b'omunsi. What's your net worth?
My net worth? Assets in cash.
Byonna.
My net worth? Should I be open with it?
Please be open. 21 questions to get a mazima.
Okay. My net worth like 300 million.
300 million? Ha.
Only.
Taufik.
I think a mission here, mission kawombi. So never seen.
Never watu kamba twavao tuli kuchibogina. Abana watu kama tuli kuchibogina.
Ndikawombi ako sina kwatako Ko ngambi ngatagatamu. Ebintu enyina enkalo nebiriwe.
Nebiriwo nebiriwo. Anti batu kama muna mawali mu night life abakola events mu night muna chipiro.
Wange modoka yoka yankaga kati yogatagatamu.
Takangao. Onayoko ku nyumba. Obo ina ya mama oje wazimba.
Sina nyumba, but I have properties.
You have properties. Oh, okay. Is it something you'd want to get or to buy?
A what?
A nyumba.
A nyumba. I would love to build what I feel like.
What you feel like?
Design the way
you need to work harder.
Because me, I want a backyard with a swimming pool. I need a lounge.
Chika wana events mujja kunzita
mazima
twayanziza nnyo Taufik okuva mu Loud Media era nga atugambe naku z'omwezi 17 Tarabu Festival. So guys, tubereyo nnyo tusobole okuba nga ate tuwagira nga tunyumirwa abana nenge okubajukiza download that app fune simu yo downloading nga Numida 17
wa
utuliwa mpozi
Cascloud
ku Cascloud
wiki ejeja si wiki eno weri 17
eryedako yes. So mnange tugenda kuwa Cascloud naku z'omwezi 17 Loud Media Tarabu Festival
Bachotala Bulikala
Boka Bachotala oba fenna verso
and well wishers my boys please come and
mujje come and enjoy
visual massage temusumbu abana just tulayebula visual massage
twakana kula kale guys download that app so lokubanga tetu kwatagana tufuna kasimbi tongere mu business zaffe so lokubanga toyagala omwaka guno mwaka sagala muntu akabanya tuke mu Christmas nga buli omu aina akasimbi ko gule nkoko ko kusindike waka ko kubanga te yeyagala Numida yoka yegenda kubanga ekusobozesa ate okubanga business yo yeyongera maso nga business yo egaziwa just munange downloading app ya Numida ebere mu simu yo ojuzemu ebuzo ebakubuza ate ngo alina endaga muntu yo enamba y'essimu osobola okubanga ate obakubirako yabwerere era mukwano wange omulungi obanga okumanya ebisinga kawo osobola okubanga ate ogikwata ate munaye n'obakubirako enamba yabwe eri 0800100240 osobola okubasindako message ku WhatsApp ku 0787568903. Good night guys, I love you.